Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another video. In this tutorial I will be showing you how to actually make money using AIs. So basically there is multiple AIs nowadays that actually can make different tasks and different stuff for you. One of them is like making designs, making coding programs, making websites, making articles, and a lot of options. Basically these AIs can make tasks that that's a normal human being will take a lot of time doing. So it helps you a lot and you can actually use them to make a lot of money. Well, basically the some of the ways to make a lot of money using AIs is by going to for example Fiverr and make an account as a programmer and make a jig or something like that that you offer like a programming offer. And basically if you get any offer you can just go ahead and go straight to OpenAI, and for example as you can see here, go to ChatGPT, click on try, and whatever the client asks you, you can ask the bot for it to do it. So for example, he asked you, let's say something simple, because we don't want the bot to spend a lot of time typing. So let's say, hi, can you write me a simple code on Python that calculates 9 numbers? And let's click on that. Let's copy this, let's refresh the page first. I think the bot has glitched, so let's do something like that and let's wait for it. Only one message at a time, please follow. Okay, reiterate response. Let's wait for it until it ends, or let's remove this chat. Yeah, let's remove this, let clear conversations, and let's create a new chat. So from here, if we click on hi before sending another message, or wait 1 minute. So let me just wait 1 minute for it to process my request, and I will be right back to you guys. And yeah, back to you guys. Now the bot has answered me. Now let's paste this code in here and let's wait for it to answer us. Essentially, here is a simple Python program that prompts users to input 9 numbers, then calculates them. So as you can see, here is the code for us, and yeah, you can ask the bot for anything else to do for you. Now this is the first thing using this ChatGPT, which is the programming thing. Also, you can ask this bot to write your articles, so you can go again to Fiverr or any freelancing website and making like jigs about articles, and this bot will write articles for you. Now there is the third option, which is going to Fiverr or Pinterest and start selling images, and of course you can start selling merch using some like pretty decent designs using the Midjourney bot that I've already made a bunch of videos about it. So if we went in here to their like Discord and we write imagine prompt, and we wrote something like shirt design League of Legends black and white high quality, and we did something like that. Basically you can get inspiration from that, or you can actually just download the picture. You can actually even make logos using this bot. You can make bunch of stuff using this thing, and you can resell it after that. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually use AIs as a resource of money. You can sell the stuff that they give you and make a bunch of money from it. So hey guys, that's what it for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.